With the ongoing COVID situation, you probably had to extend carryover months for employees. In this video, we will be demonstrating how to extend the carryover months for 2020 and how to revert back for 2021. The carryover month setting is located on each absence accrual rule. This process will need to be repeated for each annual leave rule you have that includes carryover. For example, if you have more than one pattern. In my example, the regular carryover expiration is 3 months, so it expired on April 1st. This is more easily seen in the accrual log. For the rest of this process, it is important that your org has been updated to the new time off process, since a functionality we are going to see in a moment works on the new process. If you're not sure if you're on the new time off process yet, contact your customer success manager or support. To see the accrual log, navigate to the employment record, click on the Related tab, hover over the Absences Related list, and click on the Accrual Log button. The accrual log shows the current carryover expiry date for 2020. In this case, it expires 3 months after the reset date on April 1st. To change this, click on the Absence Accrual pattern. It is useful to open this on a new tab and open the Annual Leave rule. You will see the carryover months setting. It is currently set to 3. If you change it now, the change will be applied to all the accrual log historically. To avoid this change, new accrual records will need to be created. They can be created manually, or they can be created in bulk using the Create Accruals button in the rule. If the Create Accruals button is not visible in your layout, click on the Setup cog at the top of the page and select Edit Page. On the New page, click on one of the layout boxes, and then on the right-hand side panel, scroll down and click on the previewed layer. In this case, it is Absence Accrual Rule Layout. On the left-hand side panel, on this page, click on Buttons. Find the Create Accruals button, drag it onto the layout with the other buttons, then click Save in the top left corner. Once you click Create Accruals, make sure you're on the correct vacation rule. Set an effective date. This means the new accrual record you are creating will start on January 1st, 2020. The rest of the fields need to be blank, as this will create accrual records in bulk for every team member with the same data. Once an effective date is entered, click Submit. Once the process has finished, if we refresh the accrual page for our test team member, we should only see the new accrual record we just created, starting on January 1st. Notice how the carryover months still shows 3 months. We are now ready to make the change on the accrual rule itself. Note these important points. The same process will need to be followed for each accrual rule, and the same process will need to be followed to revert the carryover months back to 3 in 2021. We hope this video has been helpful. We have another video for Salesforce Classic if you are using that interface, and as always, we recommend testing thoroughly in your sandbox before making any changes in production.